I want to. I really do.
Look, wait for Gigi. There's Gigi. There's my baby Gigi.
Oh my goodness! I just fed a squirrel.
What up, kid? Ow, you some bitch.
Oh, he bite you?
You bit me, you little fuck.
Oh, that kind of scares me a little bit.
Well, he didn't bite down hard like I said. He thought it was a peanut. He bit my thumb. He got thought he ain't gonna come to you.
He just turned away. Killing it.
Oh, some bitch bit my finger. Well, I gotta go inside and check on the feet, but anyways.
Killing that. Oh my goodness. This is ridiculous. That one's so fat.
Yeah, that's bogus.
Oh my goodness, it touched my hand.